LeetCode problem number 66 plus 1. So this problem gives us a large integer represented as an integer array called digits, where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from the most significant to least significant in left to right order, and the large integer does not contain any leading zeros. And the job is to increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of integers. So this is a pretty simple problem. What it's asking us to do is, let's say we have digits 1, 2, 3 here. If you plus 1 it, we will get 1, 2, 4. The only thing we have to worry about if, let's say we have a 9 in either one of them. So instead of incrementing it to 10, we have to make it 0. And in front of it, we have to plus 1, right? So from 9, if you plus 1, this will give us 10. Okay, so my approach to this problem is to do it iteratively. So let's say I give an example. Let me use this example instead, 2 and 3. So here, I'm starting from the back, right, because we're doing the plus 1. And as long as it's more than 0, it will decrement by 1. So if the digit, in this case 3, is less than 9, which it is, I'll increment this digit. So now this will become 4 and return the digit, which will get 1, 2, and 4. Right. So let's say if I have a 9 here, so I should get 1, 3, 0. So again, since digit is no longer lesser than 9, so this digit instead becomes 0. Right. So when this becomes 0, so here my for loop does not end yet, right? I will now decrement. So now I'm looking at this 2 here. Since this 2 is lesser than 9, this digit will increment instead, and I'll return digits, which is 1, 3, and 0. Right? Makes sense. Okay, so we have to handle another edge case. Let's say we have 99. So this for loop again starts on the back. Since it is not lesser than 9, this will become 0. So again, I will decrement once more. Now we're looking at the 10th, this 9 here, also not less than 9, so we increment. So we turn it into 0. We don't increment because this if statement does not get triggered. So this becomes 0, and this for loop ends. Right. So now, since we know when this for loop ends, it means that we have to add in another I don't know what it's called, but we have to add in another power, right, or another significant. I will just call it place, right? I have to add another 10th place. So we change this into 1, and we just push back a 0 in front of it, right? This is the only edge case. This part of this code is just to handle that edge case, right, where we have 99 or even just 9, for example. If it's 9, this will turn it into 1, and you push back 0 to multiply this digit by 10, right? So when we return the digits, we will get the correct output, right? From 9, we will get 10. Okay, so a pretty straightforward solution. That's all I have to show. Thanks.